Hello and welcome to the Bharat Speaks show, and you are listening to the Bharat Speaks Originals. I'm your host Bharat Kumar Gudlanarva. So right now, India is quietly facing an energy concern that many households are beginning to feel: the tightening supply of LPG. I repeat, the tightening supply of LPG. So the reason lies far beyond our borders. So rising tensions involving the US, Iran, and Israel have disrupted one of the world's most crucial energy routes, the Strait of Hormuz. So a large portion of global oil and gas shipments passes through this narrow corridor, which is called as the Strait of Hormuz. So when conflict disrupts movement there, the shock automatically travels across the entire energy market. So for a country like India, which imports a significant share of its LPG, even small disruptions can ripple into supply pressure and price volatility. So, but this movement also reminds us of something very bigger, that energy security is not just about fuel, it's about geopolitics, it's about strategy, and it's about resilience. So this is what happening, and this is the actual LPG crisis which is going on in India. So happy listening and happy investing. Thanks for listening.